Starting a nonprofit? Here's a step-by-step guide to forming a nonprofit corporation and obtaining tax-exempt status. Step 1. Define your mission and structure. Every nonprofit starts with a clear mission. You'll need to define your exempt purpose, whether that's charitable, educational, or another IRS-recognized category, and choose the structure that fits it. Step 2. Choose your state of incorporation. Next, decide where to incorporate. Most organizations choose their home state for practical reasons, though some opt for Delaware for its governance flexibility. For most nonprofits, home state is the simpler, more practical path. Step 3. File articles of incorporation. This is where precision matters. Your state articles must contain exact IRS language to qualify for federal tax exemption later. Incorrect wording is the #1 cause of filing delays. Two things are essential here: a specific purpose clause that explicitly states a recognized 501(c)(3) charitable purpose, and a dissolution clause confirming that assets will transfer to another exempt organization if you ever close. Step 4. Adopt internal bylaws. With articles filed, it's time to set your internal rules for governance. Bylaws cover board operations, officer roles, and voting procedures, the operating manual your organization will run on. Step 4. Adopt bylaws. Bylaws define how the board operates, meeting requirements, officer roles, voting procedures, amendment processes. They should be comprehensive and consistent with state nonprofit corporation law. Step 5. Hold an organizational meeting. The initial board meeting adopts the bylaws, elects officers, and establishes foundational policies: conflict of interest policy, document retention policy, financial controls. Step 6. Obtain an EIN. Required for opening a bank account, hiring employees, and filing with the IRS. Step 7. Apply for federal tax-exempt status. File Form 1023 or 1023Z with the IRS. Include a narrative of activities, financial projections, governance documents, and applicable policies. Step 8. Register for state tax exemption and charitable solicitation. Each state has its own process. Most states automatically grant state income tax exemption upon federal approval, but charitable registration for fundraising is a separate requirement in many states. Step 9. Ongoing compliance. Annual Form 990, board meeting minutes, state renewals, and consistent adherence to governance policies. Subscribe for more detailed guidance on nonprofit formation and operations.